Hello, welcome to GaryCCTV studio. Today we talk about how the varifocal lens works. And this model is very common model with the varifocal lens 2.9mm to 12mm. You can see there's two adjust button here. This one is to adjust the focus. This one to adjust the zoom. Okay, we can take a look at this model. You can easily understand how the lens works. You can see two button also. And the up one is to adjust the zoom, and the down one is to adjust the focus. So if we move the up one, you can see the lens is changing, right? And like this state is 2.8mm lens. If you change like this, it's 12mm lens. And after change the zoom, you need to change the focus, or the picture will not clear. All right. So that's the basic knowledge about the varifocal lens. If you have more questions, please email me. Thank you.